Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ramadini with my student number 2310732028. And in this video, I will present about the discourse analysis and corpus. So we have four, if I'm not mistaken, four learning focus. And the first learning focus is about what is corpus. So corpus is about a group of texts or real spoken texts, and they are put in same type, all of them. It's used for analyze the pattern of language or something like that. So the researcher use this approach. So this approach is for like we want to analyze 100 or 1,000 of texts. So we found in here maybe like academic texts we found in this approach, and then they are put together in usually in like electronic, like a computer device. They save in a folder based on their types, but there is types of called corpus also. It's general and specialized. In general, is the field, the range is really wide, it's really large. They talk about something like general, not that very like specific. And the second one is specialized corpora. Yeah, I was confused at first between corpus, and corpora. So between of them is singular, plural, I think. So the singular corpora is about the specialized corpora is about the specific type of text or written or spoken text, like example like the academic text or the newspaper or the presentation PPTs, and then put into based on their types, like more specific. And the example is like there is short name of it, like Mikasa, I think. It's like Michigan corpus academic spoken English. It's used for academic text, like the academic text like essay, like presentation, something like that. If they want to if they need a source for research of academic some academic text, they will search in Mikase and found that they put so many texts inside. Like for using this approach, I think it use many of texts, I think. And then we have basic British academic right speaking English corpus. It is for the like base. The short name is base. It's for find out what is the relation between lexical density of classroom activity. For example, when lecture speak in class, how the way the lecture talk how fast or how slow it is become the object of research. And then also like British academic writing English corpus also. It is a research for text of student assessment in university, maybe example. They use it for finding a similar pattern between all of them. Like every people have maybe some of them have a similar pattern of using a writing style, or yeah, something like that. And TOEFL spoken and writing corpus also appears, like the way university use academic language in their environment, I think. And then we have the base of discourse, this study corpus, like this approach that is used to study the language pattern by use a huge or 100 source for research. Like it's not only one, maybe for example, if we use research, it's not about one newspaper, but we use then maybe 100 newspaper, and we looking into the difference between all of them, and we find out the pattern of each newspaper. And then we looking for second one is the function of the language in the social place. And also yeah, I think that's all. But this approach is the way we're looking into the text, but in this approach is quite interesting, because we use 100 large amount of text. In my understanding, that was a corpus, but I'm not sure. I think that's all. Types 2 is general and specialized, and then we have more simple like Mikasa, Base, the short name of them. I think that's all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.